Hello, I apologize for not being able to be in person to this important and relevant meeting that's being held at Federal University of São Paulo. I'm Helena Nader. I'm an emeritus professor of Federal University of São Paulo, and currently I'm the president of the Brazilian Academy of Science and also a member of the Chinese Academy of Science. I strongly believe that the meeting that you're going to have this afternoon is going to be most relevant both for CIELO, CIELO Brazil, and CIELO Latin American, as well as some African countries, together with the National Science Library of the Chinese Academy of Science. I think partnership is going to be very relevant to move forward and strengthen the power of CIELO among countries of the global south. So I sincerely hope that this is just the beginning of a strong partnership between CIELO and the National Science Library of the Chinese Academy of Science. Thank you so much.